Hey, what is up guys, Reacting here, and welcome back to another video. Now today, I have a pretty cool speaker that I just got from one of my friends who does not have a YouTube channel, so I can't really give him a shout out. But if he does, and I just didn't know about it, there will be a link in the description. But he gave this to me as a gift, so thank you. And today we're going to be unboxing it, so if you guys do enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. So, first thing I want to say is the presentation is amazing on the box. Before we look at the speaker, the box itself, just with the design and everything, looks amazing. So this is a Genex speaker. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I hope I'm not butchering that name. But this is a very nice presentation on the box. It's just white on the inside. Let's get right into the content. So if you look, we have the speaker, which I will take out, which is blue. It has Genex on the top of it. It is waterproof. I did a little bit of research. Then we have the on-off, play/pause, I guess, volume up and down. And then right here, we have our ports. So sorry the lighting's really bad. My recording studio is a mess, so I can't really record in there. We have the auxiliary port and the charging cable port, or the USB micro port, and then on the bottom right there, and the top up here, there is bass. So then, aside from the cables, there's nothing else in the box, except for a little sticker. So I am going to keep the box. The box is very nice, very well packaged. So if we look in here, there's a little bit of tape here, so I'm just going to peel that off. Oop, didn't mean to knock over the speaker. We're going to put the speaker in the back. So if you look, we get a shoelace. No, I'm joking. This is, well, I guess it is a shoelace. This is meant to go, I guess, through the top part here. I'll show you guys because my camera's being wonky and I can't really move it. Right here, this top part, it looks like it's supposed to go to, if you want to hold it. I personally won't put it there because I don't really hang my speaker off anything. I'll use it if I have to, but I kind of will just loop it and tie it. Then we have the auxiliary cable, which I kind of want to see how long this is, just to see for a general length. I mean, most people don't carry their phones around with them, so it's about maybe from the wall that I'm recording on to, you guys can't see it, but to the camera. So if the camera's right here, I'm just going to kind of put that right there. I don't want to make the camera stupid blurry. It's about like that. If I had to guess, it's about like 2 feet, a little less. So we'll put that in the back. And then we have the USB micro charging cable, which looks to also be the same size. Let me check. Yeah, so it is the same size, both wires. The USB micro charging cable, standard USB micro charging cable, let me focus. Can't focus, all right. And then it does not come with a power brick, so that is the only downside. It says rugged fabric waterproof Bluetooth speaker. So it has power. I'm just going to try to show you guys. It's very small. I don't know if it'll focus on it. Let me see, there we go. Power on off, the mode/play pause call button is number 2, which is the one I showed you. I'm just gonna unfold this, hold on. Volume up, volume down, /next track, previous track, I guess holding it. Restart button, charging port, auxiliary line in, LED indicator, and a microphone. I didn't really see the microphone. So like it says, what's included: Bluetooth speaker, the USB to micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and the instruction manual. Tech specs: it has 4 hours at max volume, 2000 milliamp hour /3.7 volts. It'll take roughly 3 to 2.5 hours to charge, and it is the rugged BT. And then it just goes through the rest of the stuff. Charge the speaker using the USB adapter, blah, 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 blah. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to refocus the camera. So, I'm going to use the instruction manual. I just want to look. You can't see the microphone in here. Unless it's this top piece. Yeah, it is this top piece. No. Okay. I just realized this piece right here. People have not realized. That doesn't do anything. Sorry about the background noise. That is for the little shoelace piece. I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. Okay. At least this, it looks like it's for the shoelace piece, but it doesn't really. Sorry, I know my finger's in the way. I'm just going to go on this side. It doesn't really go through. So maybe it's not. But without further ado, I'm going to use the instructions to see what to do. So yeah, the restart button and the power on button are the same. So there's the LED. This kind of makes that butted it up noise. And we are going to go into the settings of my phone. So I have my phone right here. And if you see, I know my phone is destroyed. There's rugged BT, so we're going to click. And there it goes, it connects. So now it's connected. It says, so in the box, from when I got it, it says right there, aside from my watch, it has, I don't know if I can focus on this, 60% battery. So in the box, it came with 60% battery. That is pretty good. Now I'm going to open Spotify on my phone. And actually, no, I'm not. Scratch that. I'm going to go into a track I made. Sorry, it's just taking me a sec. So I'm going to go into my music player. So this is a track I made myself. So I'm just going to keep it in the back, see if it does anything. Sorry about that. With the camera. And then I have to find it. Sorry about that. And then all my music. There's no songs in there. Here we go. So we're just going to turn it all the way down. That's no volume. That's about low volume. I'm going to turn it around because the light's throwing off the focus. I'm just going to turn it to the side. There we go. This is about 1/4. This is about 1/2. That's about 3/4. And that right there is max. So the sound quality is very good. At least on my end, it's very loud. I don't know what else I'm allowed to play, as in YouTube legal-wise, but it's very good. I'm just going to try. So I'm going to, I don't know if I can I'm not going to disconnect Bluetooth actually. I'm going to take this off on the back. Ooh, it comes off on the top. And we're going to try with the micro USB, or not the micro USB, the auxiliary cable. And I think it'll have the same audio quality. I don't think it should vary. Sorry, my case is a little tough to get off. So that's plugged in now. We're going to go back into my phone and back into music. I'm going to pull up my track. Ooh, it's not plugged in all the way. I'm confused now. Alright, I hit a button. So, I think it's because Bluetooth is on. Oh no, Bluetooth's disconnected. Okay, so it's in. Let me start over and then try to turn it up on here. Okay, so for auxiliary, your phone volume has to be all the way up. I don't know why it's not showing me the medium. Has to be all the way up, and then you have to turn it up manually from the speaker, whereas Bluetooth, you control it from your phone, which is a kind of odd feature. And then if you turn it off, I think you just hold it, and it goes da-da-da-da. It's, so I'm not testing waterproof, because I don't really have a plan to use it in the water. But aside from that, guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. And if you did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe. And go pick up one of the speakers. I'll leave a link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Peace!